Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Google AdSense for better earnings step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Google AdSense website. Click on the Sign Up Now button to begin the registration process. You will need to log in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, create one by clicking on Create Account. Once logged in, fill out the application form with your website URL. Select the language preference for your AdSense account. Provide your contact information, including your name and address. Read through the AdSense program policies and click to agree. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Now, you must wait for approval from Google. Check your email regularly for any updates on your application status. Once approved, log into your AdSense account. Set up your payment information by entering your banking details. Verify your identity, which may require a PIN sent to your address. Create ad units by clicking on Ads then Overview. Choose the type of ad format you prefer for your website. Customize the appearance of the ad units to fit your website seamlessly. Copy the generated ad code provided by AdSense. Paste this code into your website's HTML where you want the ads to appear. Monitor your account regularly to track earnings and performance. Adjust ad placements and formats as needed to maximize your revenue. Stay updated with AdSense policies to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.